Well, look who's visiting me today. This is my Plumeroa planter that I share with you about that cluster bloom. Where at the bottom it's the plant that has the purple flower. And it has some fruits on it that taste tart. But these birds seems to really like it, even it's a bit tart. Interesting. As a child, I used to pick these little long, skinny fruits off of this weed and munch on it, and it's quite delightful. First time I see the birds would go for them, and not just one bird. It's like a flock of 6 at the same time. Not something? What a pleasant surprise today. Still trying to capture the hummingbird feeding the bilbergia up and close and personal, or either the agave plant, but I haven't been able to do that yet. The sky's a bit cloudy today. Sun hasn't come out. It's June soon. But anyway, enjoy my visiting bird friends on my Plumeroa out there. Yeah.